Aloha kako. Gene Tamashiro here, lawful in my own country. Hawaiian Kingdom, ko Hawaii Pai'aina in continuity. Okay, a lot of things going on the planet right now. I know you're searching your soul. I know you got issues. I know you might be worried and concerned, but here's what we gotta think about. There's two laws on earth. There's natural law, justice, the creator's law, common law, and then there's corporate law. And kingdom in continuity is not a corporation. So whatever your issue is, whether it's land or water or rights or whatever it is, we need to return the creator's natural law justice back to earth. And we're going to be able to do that one time. Take the head off the Babylon beast at Iolani Palace, January 17th, that's a Sunday, 2021 at 10:30 a.m., okay? We're going to huli the world. It's Restoration Day to huli the world. God bless you. See you there. Ahui ho.